protest is getting underway right now in Santa Monica.
The demonstration is over the recent vaccination bill signed into law by Governor Brown, one that affects most public school children. KTLA 5's Kareem Winter joins us now live in Santa Monica. Kareem.
Glenn, lots of people already lining up for that rally. It's extremely busy, by the way, here in Santa Monica. They're starting here at the intersection of Ocean and Colorado. Now, since this landmark ruling, there's been a lot of outcry, outrage over the new California law requiring that all kids entering kindergarten be vaccinated. It was just signed by Governor Jerry Brown. Now, the law goes into effect January 2016. Parents can no longer claim personal or religious beliefs when deciding not to vaccinate their children. The only exception will be for medical reasons. For example, if a child has an allergic reaction. Parents and medical experts who are demonstrating today against this law, actually rallying all the way to Santa Monica City Hall, argue it's unconstitutional on the medical end, on the educational end, to mandate that parents vaccinate their kids. Otherwise, they won't be allowed to attend private or public schools. Joining me right now is one of those demonstrators, Dr. Andrew Wakefield. Thank you so much for your time. Tell me what the purpose of us sending this message is today when this has already become a law.
Well, it's ironic that we're here on a day when we should be celebrating freedom and we're mourning the loss of freedom here in California, parents to choose about vaccination. And the thing about unjust laws is they can be repealed. They can be undone, and that's what has to happen with SB 277. It is totally unjust. It went against the wishes of so many parents in California, and that has to be addressed immediately.
Doctor, the other side, those parents who vaccinate their children who say it's okay if you don't want to vaccinate your child, but that puts my kid at risk.
The prerogative has to be with the parent where there is risk. Where there is risk, the parents have to make the choice. It's no good the government vaccinating your child, handing back a damaged child, and these vaccines do cause damage, and then saying it's over to you. You fund it, you pay for it, you live with it. It's your problem when the government have created it.
A lot of attorneys said that this is going to be an uphill battle because of the public health risk that this argument poses. But if it does go through at the lower courts level, then what?
Well, you know, the vaccines are not safe. This bill has been sold to the people of California and to the politicians on the basis that vaccines are safe and effective. They are not. We are witnessing a senior CDC scientist coming forward and saying, we have known for 13 years that MMR vaccine is causally associated with autism, and we have kept that concealed. You cannot force vaccination on people in the face of a federal admission of fraud.
All right, we're just getting started. Doctor, thank you so much for your time. We'll have a lot more coming up. On the KTLA 5 News at 6, we'll be heading over to City Hall, where there will be